You're overboard! There's that tiger and his wife, but she's got a bad ear, and she won't be looking after her cubs properly, so they're living with a foster mother. She's coping very well, and the babies are doing fine. They were born 12 days before in the Munich Zoo, and already they're showing an inquisitive interest in the great world outside. Stepping nimbly out of their box, they enter the great wide world of wonderful sights and sounds and smells. Terrors of the jungle, seeking out their prey, stalking it whoops, with the cool, muscular precision of killers. I say, you people in front, can you move back a bit? I think they've got their eye on you. Civil war in